Antonio, the owner of a sleek foreign car, stood in front of his vehicle with a concerned expression on his face. He had been going about his day, unaware of the secret passenger hiding within the depths of his car's engine compartment. Little did he know, a massive cat had climbed in unnoticed, and now it was trapped. Dangerously close to the scorching heat of the engine. Throughout the day, the car roamed the bustling streets, its engine purring, unaware of the furry intruder beneath its hood. Occasionally, a muffled meow could be heard, a desperate cry for help that went unnoticed by passers-by. As the sun began to set, a group of people in white coats gathered around Antonio's car. They were veterinarians who had been called in to rescue the mysterious feline. Armed with gloves, mops, and brushes, they devised a plan to coax the cat out of its hiding spot. The veterinarians approached the car cautiously, trying to calm the frightened animal. They spoke to it softly, hoping their gentle words would inspire trust. However, the cat remained stubbornly wedged beneath the engine, refusing to budge. Antonio, deeply concerned for the trapped creature, decided to join the rescue operation. He knelt beside the car and began to speak to the cat in a soothing tone. He explained how the cat had sneaked into his car earlier that morning and had unknowingly traveled with him throughout the day. The gravity of the situation hit Antonio, and he couldn't bear the thought of the danger the cat had been exposed to. With renewed determination, Antonio reached into the engine compartment, trying to grab the cat's paw. After a few tense moments, his fingers brushed against the cat's paw. Antonio's grip tightened, and with a swift yet gentle motion, he managed to extricate the frightened creature from its fiery prison. The cat was finally free. The veterinarians wasted no time in providing the necessary medical assistance to the exhausted and traumatized animal. They examined the cat thoroughly, ensuring its health was not compromised by its harrowing experience. Relieved to find no serious injuries, they declared that the cat was out of danger. Soon, a kind-hearted family came forward, expressing their desire to provide a forever home for the resilient feline. In the warmth and comfort of its new home, the red-haired cat flourished. Its playful spirit and courageous nature endeared it to its new family, who showered it with affection and care.